And this is the Phuket Weekly Weather Update.
This is the Phuket Weather Update live.
Live from the office. Live from the office.
From the office.
There you go. Now say over to Shaun.
It's flood everywhere.
No, don't say that. Now say over to Shaun.
Over to Shaun.
Perfect. Thanks. Bye.
And thanks, Jay, from reporting from the floods out there. It looks pretty wild. You have a raft and a canoe that you can use while you're there. Jay just literally headbutted the office. Hey, Jay, you look a bit tired today.
Hi, everybody. I want to apologise about Shaun's weather report last week. He got the wind right, but the rest of it wrong. And I didn't do the intro from the floods because I haven't done the intro yet. I'm doing it from the front there.
Did you not see all that water? I saw a video today of an underground car park that's actually a swimming pool.
Oh, darn, honestly. Listen, everybody. When it rains in Phuket, it rains very heavily in a very short space of time, and you get what's known as flash flooding. It happens. It doesn't mean it's flooded for the entire bloody day. Just lasts for about 2 hours, and then it goes.
Unless you have an underground car park.
And if you can hear the growling in the background, sorry, my doggies are playing. Hold on. Hey, settle. Good
Anyway,
training.
we're going to do the weather this week, and we're going to try and get at least one day, right?
glasses?
Yeah, they're quite nice, actually.
Are they alright?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thanks.
Anyway, last week we got everything right about the wind and nothing else right.
We should explain, so the end of October is always a transitional period. So we're changing from the easterly winds to the westerly winds to the easterly winds. So we always get this where the wind kind of doesn't blow. So then you get a load of rain and it doesn't move away because the wind's not blowing it away, and hence why we get a little bit of...
Well, I think that's what we can defend ourselves about with last week. Because
Yes.
there was no wind, the rain just didn't move on.
That's
there
right.
was no movement. It just...
Sometimes you can't move on. Dates apparently are quite good for that, for movement. We're at that age now, Shaun. I am anyway. I need to eat more dates. And cod liver oil. Did you ever have cod liver oil growing up?
I did, I actually did.
On a spoon of cod liver oil?
Oh, gosh.
Or did you have you posh, you had capsules?
The capsules.
Would you stop fighting dogs?
I'm really quite worried about them.
Why?
Because it's very vocal.
Okay, I'll get them.
No, I'm not worried about the sound. I just worry about the dog.
No, they're fine. They're fine.
Mischief would never bite you anyway. Hello, Trouble.
This is trouble. She smells. He smells at the moment.
He's big.
Yeah.
Anyway, to the weather, where if this is your first time here, we try and predict the weather, which is basically like gambling in Vegas at the moment.
Oh, can't talk about that because
all
people
luck.
get arrested in the old gambling thing. Have you not read that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
And as Jay said, we're in what I like to call shoulder season, what Phuket calls green season, and the weather is so very changeable and
One day we'll do
ridiculous.
a normal weather report without craziness going on. I'm just going to sort of say, you carry on and start talking about the
They're
weather.
barking at each other.
I know. Sorry.
Anyway,
about
this is your first time here. Essentially what we're going to do is we're going to give you the next 7 days. We're going to give a prediction of what we think the weather should be like.
that. Think is the appropriate word.
Mainly looking at the wind, because this time of year is pretty much the only thing we can trust. If you're asking for what apps are reliable in Phuket, we're probably only going to look at 2 today. One is Windy, to look at the wind condition, and 2 is a live radar.
The other one you could use is Wind Guru, which is a good one as well.
I think Wind Guru gets a little bit off as you get closer to the day. It's good for a long-term prediction, but not short.
But we used to use it for waves.
Yes.
It's good for, and again, the surfing season's over now, so it's pointless. Forget that. I'm
you
going
surf?
back to bed. Huh?
Do you surf?
I used to surf. I had to sell my surfboard because of someone. Yeah, the whole office just stopped then.
There's some things that we're not allowed to talk about.
And that's one of them.
You know, like in Harry Potter, you can't say the name of the bad guy. It's like,
What's the name of the bad guy in Harry Potter? I've never seen him.
he who shall not be named.
Is that really it?
Yeah.
I've never seen Harry Potter.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
not interested.
That's a cool movie.
Is it?
Yeah. I like it. Lucas asked me the other day to watch Twilight, and I fell off my seat. Oh my gosh.
Are you watching Twilight with your son?
No, I talked him out of it.
Mm,
We ended up watching scary movies.
Okay, scary movies, alright.
I always know what you did last summer, which is literally the lowest budget remake you've ever seen in your life. Lucas said to me, "Daddy, what did they do to the cameras? The quality's so poor."
Oh no. Oh, who's that?
No one can see that, right?
Oh no, I don't think so.
Anyway, so looking at Sunday, which is the day you're watching this video, we have low wind.
Well, they might not be watching this Sunday. You can't say that because they might be watching it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Looking forward to Monday, we have...
No wind. Are you on windy?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it? I can't see. Is it? Have you zoomed in, or are you still quite far out?
Um,
I should explain. Okay, so windy. Purple and blue means no wind. green is more wind, yellow is more wind, orange is
And the wind is kind of...
it's swinging around.
Yeah,
it'll be alright.
Doesn't know what it's doing.
It has been quite rainy for the last few days.
Looking to Tuesday?
Tuesday looks good.
Tuesday, there's a bit of wind.
That's good. We want the wind to come in because we need to blow this current front through.
It's going north.
Is it going north?
Yeah, it's going north.
Well, that's good. When you point down, that means it's going south.
Or south then. It's going
You mean
south.
it's coming from the north?
Coming from the north.
That's what she said.
This day is probably going to be a little bit bumpy on the way back from PP. Going to PP, you're going to get there way faster.
Are you telling me or telling them?
Yeah, I'm telling them.
Okay, good.
Hey, darling. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Oi. Hello.
Oh, sorry about that.
Wednesday is going to be a change of weather for sure.
Is there?
Yeah, we have coming from the west south. Is that right?
Southwest.
Like that.
Southwest.
Yeah.
Southwesterly.
Yeah, southwesterly.
You're not west-south. Southwesterly, yeah, that's what you say.
We've got a southwesterly green wind.
Green wind.
All day green wind.
Good. We want a bit of green wind.
It's a little bumpy. Probably
But
best to go to Pang Na Hong Krabi that day.
Is it? I can't see. Oh yeah. Well, it's quite green, isn't it? Not too bad. But that's good. We want, like I
But
said, we
that's
want
going to be
some
the
wind.
day weather changes.
Oh.
Oi.
Honestly, whose idea was it to bring the dogs here? Whose idea was it to get two spaniels?
Best news is that Thursday goes back to calm wind.
Well, tell them, not me.
So it looks like Wednesday there's going to be a change of weather conditions.
Okay, good.
As to which way it's going to change, we don't know.
Listen, it is always very unpredictable at the end of October, and it's Halloween next week.
As we say here in the office, it swings both ways.
It does swing both ways. There's other people in this office that do that too. Hey, stop it.
Yeah, boy.
It's Halloween on Friday.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
What are
that's
you
awesome.
doing? Are you going
I'm
out?
going to get dressed up.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
What are you going to dress up as?
You.
Oh God, that's scary.
You were about a week ago. Eyes like this.
Yeah, I had a few bags under my eyes last week. I'm trying to get rid of them. I'm going to go home and go to bed this
You know
afternoon.
Jay did his back.
My back really hurts.
And you know what he did doing it? He did it picking up a gas bottle.
That's right.
That is an old man problem.
That's an old man problem. Pick up a gas bottle to do a barbecue, and I hurt my back. But anyway, it's fine. It was fine until I then went through my laundry, and then picked up the bag of laundry, and it went again.
Oh yeah. What are you doing carrying stuff?
Because I do stuff, Sean. Anyway, it's made me very miserable this week.
Friday's a little bit windy in the afternoon. Okay.
Friday's
Morning.
Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Happy
everyone.
Halloween.
And then it's November. I'll be gone
1st,
till
Saturday.
November. I'll be gone till November.
Little wind in the morning. Little.
That was Whitecliff Sean, I believe.
Actually the only day I think in the next week that we probably would need to worry about where we're going to go looks to be Wednesday. Wednesday looks a little bit windy. Every other day looks like you can go wherever you like.
I've got a meeting Wednesday morning.
That's good.
Thanks.
How is AA going?
AA is going very well. I would say it's going very well. Are we talking about AA, the car people that come and collect my car because it's broken? That's the AA that I know. Anyway, what else you on now?
Looking at a live radar.
Yes, please. Live radar, pointless because we're doing this on Sunday morning, Saturday afternoon.
It's quite clear. Like actually, this morning it poured with rain.
Well, we knew it was going to rain a lot this morning, and then we know that Sunday it's going to rain a little bit, but it's going to start clearing. It's been a bad couple of days. I'm going to be very honest with you.
Well,
it hasn't been the nicest.
We considered putting the speedboats in Phuket town and doing city tours for this.
Yeah, we could have done. We could have done a few city tours, but like I said, you only get a 2-hour window to do those city tours.
Yeah, and the boat would have.
Yeah, the boat would have probably broken. But there you go. But that's the weather. Pointless, really.
No, we got it
Is
good.
it?
We said every day this week you can go out wherever you like except for Wednesday. Be very careful on Wednesday. And for those of you who
Shush, dog.
continuously are asking about Simulan, not yet.
No, don't
yet.
go to Simlers. Listen, don't go to Simlers till just trouble. God, I don't know which name we're shouting at. December.
Yes.
Trouble. December is the best time to go or start to go. Oh, you got a phone call.
Oh, Lucas is calling me.
Oh, Lucas is calling.
Oh, with
Shush,
that-
trouble.
Lucas has got a birthday party.
Oh, which girl is he taking this time? He's got so many.
I don't know.
Anyway, look, the weather looks pretty good. There will be a few spots of sprinkles of sunshine this week, but nothing too major. I think this week's been the worst week, and we should be out of it now. And then we're getting into high season weather, which is good.
Hopefully.
And you better book for high season because we are running out of boats. Seriously.
And here's Jay on a raft in the middle of the sea.
There you go. Thanks for watching.
We have that footage.
Yeah, I don't have to do it.
You don't have to do it.
Don't know, I'm just going to have to do the intro now.
Yeah.
I could do it from here.
You could do the intro in the bath and you say, "Oh yes, I am flooded."
I don't have a bath.
Really?
Yeah. Do you like baths?
I like baths.
I hate baths.
Oh, it's so hot.
I don't like baths. I don't really like swimming pools that much. I especially don't like hot tubs.
No, I don't like hot tubs.
Oh, you're going to get that phone call in, aren't you?
Hello.
Oh, Sean's
Yeah.
done now. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.